Moose are mammals that live in the forests of North America, Europe, and Asia. This is a moose.
Whoa, that looks like a really, really big deer.
It is. The moose is the largest member of the deer family. Moose are twice the size of an average white-tailed deer.
Wow, that moose is really fast.
Can you see how long the moose's legs are?
Taller than the snow.
It's their long, tall legs that help them move fast through deep snow.
Cool.
Moose also have wide hooves. These help them when they're walking through soft snow.
Like snowshoes?
Just like snowshoes.
How hard can it be walking in deep snow? Whoa! I think I need snowshoes too.
Get ready to read.
It's a funny
Beaver. Let's go.
Beaver. Beaver.
Find the missing word. Swipe the animal to change it. Beaver. Way to go. Listen and read along.
It's a funny
Beaver.